Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm here to play for Lexmark CX860 Syria. You type here for the try for the book. This why I insert the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here. This why website loading. This here for the landing page. You scroll down and this here for look in the title driver and support. Click here for the title. And this here for a title driver and download, you click here and this one. This here for search your model, the print, and this here for search your operating system. And my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change, this here for recommended for me for the Windows 10. If you need change operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Windows, and for the Mac. And I'm sure for the uh, Linux, and this here for Linux version, you click here, and this here for match the Linux version for Fedora, and this here for Fedora update 27, 28, 29. This here for the OpenSUSE and Red Hat. And if you need like your testing for Fedora 27, and this here for Fedora 27 support your uh, your driver. Okay, if you change the operating system for Mac, and show for Mac, and this here for operating system, you click here. This here for the version for Mac, make sure left Mac 11, Mac 13. This here for a new version for the Mac, and this here for the Mac 10, or version for the Mac. I'm sure for Mac 12, and this here for Mac 12 driver support. And looking here, this here for update the that release support your driver, and this here for the Mac 12 language English support, and this here for Max universal print driver and support for you. If you need download here, you click here for the title, you click here for button start download. And this video I need download driver for Windows. I'm sure for Windows, and this here for the version, you click here. And this here for a new version for the Windows, and this here for the Windows 11 new version for the Windows, and this is for Windows 10, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this is for Windows Server, you support driver. And I am recommendation for you. I am a recommendation for you, and I am need download driver for Windows 11, and this here for new version for Windows. You click here for the Windows 11, and looking that release, and this year for a new that release support your Windows 11, and this year for the language English work. And recommendation for you, download for the package. This one I'm sure for you for the package. And this year for the package universal, and this package all support the firmware, support your software, and support your driver, support your scanner. And this here for the package universal, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and this here for installation package for you. I'm sure for here this here for your driver and print software a package for you, and I am recommended for you. Click here, and this here you click here button start download driver. Okay, and this here for your download driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please what finish driver load. If you finish driver load, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you can finish this here for the type automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of this, thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.